Where are you at right now?
What is the name of this place? Las Vegas Speedway? Las Vegas Speedway? I'm at Las Vegas Speedway?
So you're going to be number 48, and then pick out the car with Eric.
Okay.
Right?
What would you like to drive today?
Ferrari.
Ferrari. You got it.
So what made you pick the Ferrari?
Because when I was a kid, my brother always wanted a Lamborghini as a kid, and I always wanted the Ferrari as a kid. I got older, I wanted a Lamborghini. I ended up buying the Tesla.
That's where they put your pictures and your video.
Oh, you stick it in to record. Yeah, that's what it is, you're right. Pick the Porsche. Because he asked him which one's
got the best turning and the best acceleration.
AJ's already raced before, so he's like, I want the fast, I want to beat everybody. I got the Ferrari.
You got it? Everyone got it. They have stock.
Yeah, we commute to the Bay, so we drive to San Francisco every day because the work is in the Bay Area. So our normal route is Sacramento, San Francisco.
That's why you have a Tesla.
Yeah.
That was intense. I love that. That was awesome. I'd want to do that again now that I feel like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, now you know the course, I know.
The other thing he kept wanting me to do is like, look ahead, look ahead. I'm like, here we go.
This girl in my office person who like runs everything for me. She's like, you just signed up to drive a fucking Lamborghini. I was like, I did? I was like, what the fuck? And Dale's like, see you on the race thing at the racetrack. I was like, oh, look at the thing when I signed up. Yeah.
Nice.
I was gonna meet him at the booth.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this is way better.
This is way cool, huh?
Yeah.
No, I need to come back to California. I spent during my studies. I spent 1 month in Berkeley. I told you.
Yeah.
And I was driving in the north part. I love that area with a sequoia.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So you went up. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Huge. And you feel so little.
Small.
And it's resourcing. Really. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.